Hello and welcome to the demonstration video of the UConn CSE Senior Design Project 20, a secure upload and download system using biometric security. This project has been sponsored by General Digital and developed by the student team Skylar Fang, Roden Raymond, Samra Singh, and Neil Zhao. This senior design project focused on the improvement of a device currently in development, the S.U.D.S, standing for Secure Upload and Download System. This device, utilized by aircraft mechanics and engineers, offers a safe way to handle and transfer data to and from aircraft engines. The focus of this project is to increase the current security of the S.U.D.S device utilizing biometric authentication methods. An increase in the security in this way would then allow the device to be marketed towards a wider consumer base. Through the development process of our design, many forms of biometric measurements were considered, including facial recognition, specifically static versus live facial recognition, as well as facial recognition utilizing infrared-based depth maps, fingerprint scanning, iris scanning, retina scanning, voice recognition, hand geometry recognition, as well as handwriting recognition. There were a few standards that our design was required to meet, which limited the specific biometrics methods that were able to be implemented. These standards were adherence to the Department of Defense security standards that are restrictions derived from the application environments of the device, as well as budgetary restrictions. Our final design consists of a mock S.U.D.S system built and run on a Raspberry Pi, which is able to perform the facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and password validation necessary to ensure the device's security. The user data required to perform these validations are stored locally on the device, a conscious decision that was made both because of the working environment of the device limiting network access, as well as for added security. The facial recognition is performed using a convolutional neural net-based feature encoder for which the user key encodings are stored locally on the device rather than the user images themselves. User fingerprints as well as encrypted passwords are also stored locally on the device. The next steps of implementation for our design include the overview and analysis of our code by our sponsoring company, General Digital, and the integration of the system that we have developed into the current model of the S.U.D.S device. The system that we have designed has been left purposefully modular in order to allow additional methods of biometric security to be implemented at a later date, should restrictions such as budget or environmental constraints change.
Hi everyone, this is Samra Singh, and today I'll be talking about the software that we built. It's called Secure Upload and Download System. As you can see, this is the startup page. Just enter username and password, and my password does not match. And we will try this again to show a little thing. So since we can see we have reached our maximum attempt, it was supposed to pause for 30 seconds. For this video, we'll pause for 10 seconds so that we can move on to the next steps. And as you can see, after 10 seconds, the check button appears, and I'm gonna enter the correct password. Okay, there you go. And this is, now we're in the facial recognition. This will take a photo, save it locally, get its encodings, and grab my username from the previous screen and check in the database if the encodings are true or not. So here when you click check, the fingerprint scanner will flash, and as you can see in the video in the corner, and this is the main page. So in this page, as you can see, it has 4 buttons: upload, download, and add new users. So these buttons can be modified to do upload and download. And add new user, we'll try to show that, and capture face. We'll open a new UI. There you go, it was out of the frame. Okay, so this is me again. And we'll take the photos. The good thing about these photos are these are saved locally, and as soon as we'll hit the save button, get the encoding from those photos will be deleted. And you can see everything is done. We have a done button at the bottom. We hit done. I'm gonna just test that out. And this thing works. Okay, past that. And since it was not admin, there were only 2 buttons here. And quickly, now I'm just gonna show the delete button and delete a user. It's the same, it's not anyone else, so that's it. And the user has been deleted, and we all set. So this is the program. Thank you.